Today's lesson UI text field. So let's start. First of all, create text field. UI text field. So adding some frames. As the frame is 0, 0, width is 350 and height is 50. And view, add the sub view is the text field and text field dot placeholder. Enter text and text field dot style. So text field dot style is border style is rounded reacted and text field dot keyboard type as the number of property like as ASCII number pad as a Twitter any swap default set and run check. So this our text field is added 0, 0 coordinate. So text field dot center as a view dot center and run again. This text field is added over center and hello, how are you? Any printout, any text to etc. Are you bright? This is the text field and placeholder text overset and text. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.